In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on your Samsung phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So there's a few different things that we could go ahead and do. It's usually due to a software toggle or a temporary driver glitch rather than a hardware failure. So firstly, go ahead and press the volume up button on the side of your phone. Then tap the three dots at the top of the volume slider, and it's going to look like this. Then once you go ahead and do that, expand the mixer to like full volume on like anything you need. So just press the three little dots and then you can expand volume as you can see right now. And as I'm expanding it and everything, this ensures that the specific category like game audio isn't accidentally muted. And what you could also do is disable any silent blockers. So what you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen, and then if you go ahead and swipe again, you're going to see a do not disturb mode. If yours is currently on, you want to go ahead and turn that off as well, because obviously if you're on do not disturb mode, you're not going to be getting any notifications, which is obviously not what you want. Next, check if you're connected to any Bluetooth device. So if I go to Bluetooth, make sure I'm not currently using a Bluetooth speaker or something that might be in another room. That could be why sound's not working. Now, the final thing that I would recommend doing is going over to the settings application, scrolling down until you find apps, and then going ahead and clicking on it. Then go over and press the like little line thing with the down arrow, and then you want to show system apps. Then press OK. Now, what I want to go ahead and find is Samsung Device Care or Sound Alive. So I just want to go to S. There's going to be a lot of system apps, but don't worry, just go over to S. And then first I want to find Samsung Device Care. Now, once you go ahead and find it, or like, anything like that, go ahead and clear the cache over there. And then what I also want to go ahead and find is Samsung Sound Alive is what it's called. So what I can do is just go ahead and scroll through S, and then eventually I'm going to go ahead and find Sound Alive. And then once you basically go ahead and find it, what you're going to do is click on it and then scroll down and go to storage and then clear the cache, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.